From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. You know what we're going to call this video? We're going to call it the Thursday May expiration Flunk-A-Dunk. The high of the day in the S&P came in off the open at 1881.5. The low came in, that was early in the morning. The low came in at 1859 even, mid-morning or late morning. And last, we're 1868 even. We're down 17.3 handles. Total volume, 2.2 million minis trade, and 8,000 big S&Ps trade in the pit. MOC, we had 52 million to sell. And I'll tell you what, the MIM was up, the MIM was down, and the MIM was all around. Tomorrow we've got the housing starts number, the consumer sentiment number. We've got James Bullard talking in the economy from Little Rock, Arkansas. And look, the volume may have picked up here today, but the overall price action of the S&P was horrible. You know, the S&P, after it opened up, the premiums went into steep discounts. And as soon as that happened, in came the selling, up went the bonds. It was a big asset allocation. Buy bonds, sell stocks. That's what happened today. I think the Russians may have had something to do with the bond play also. But at the end of the day, you guys, what I want to express to you is, yeah, the S&P did 2.2 million minis, right? Sounds like a lot of volume. It's not. Do the math. When you take out algorithmic and program trading that makes up 70%, there's not that much volume left in there for you guys. The other part about it is what I'm wondering, and I wonder about this all the time. When are people going to get mad enough that they're going to start demanding that algorithmic trading and program trading be pulled from these markets? Well, I'll tell you what, they've been stealing our money for years. And not only did they steal my money in the flash crash, $5.8 million or 5.3, and my desk and ruined our careers, but you know what? They're stealing your money too. And when's the government going to jump on this thing? It's not right. You know, how many billions and billions of dollars does Goldman or Lime or some of these other algorithmic firms have to make before the government steps in? It's not right, and it's wrong. And you know what? For the first time in a long time, I'm starting to recognize that all this movement that we're seeing is being exaggerated by all these programs, and all they do is really wrap your stops out, run the other way, and take our money out of our accounts. I'm mad as hell, and I'm not going to take it anymore. I'm going to leave it like that, and I'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.